How to fix microphone not working on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if microphone is not working in your Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, if you have any external mic, ensure that it is properly plugged into your device, or you can try to plug the microphone in different port and check if it works. If that still does not help you, check whether the microphone works well on another device or not. Also ensure that your microphone is not muted, so look for its mute button. If that still does not help you, head towards the sound icon on your taskbar on your bottom right corner, right click on it, click on sound settings and then scroll towards the input section, and here make sure your microphone is selected. And if this still does not help you, now you have to look for some of the software fixes. For that, you have to open up settings in your device. Under settings, head towards privacy and security. And under privacy and security, scroll down a bit and click on microphone and make sure this toggle right here is turned on. If this still does not help you, now look for the microphone drivers update. So for that, head towards your device manager, click on the search bar and here search for device manager, and once you're under this page, you have to expand audio inputs and output. Here at the top, expand audio inputs and output, then right click on your microphone. Here select update driver and here again select search automatically for a driver. And then the driver will be installed automatically, and if this is updating does not work, you can uninstall the device and then restart your PC and the driver will be installed automatically. So these are some of the fixes that will help you fix if the microphone is not working properly in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.